Hello, good morning. I'm very happy to be able to plant a new life into the soil. Plants can live better in the forest. I know this is not forest. This is the land. Dio. Rain falls erratically on the lands of Borneo, but every plant know how to survive just like us. I'm not good at farming, but I really like plants because plants are not just about needs but feelings. I have a story in Cindy book which I published last year about a child who lost his father. I was quite impressed with the story. I cried simply because I listened to an album of very calm folklore and very deep lyrics in the folk. The sun will always rise from the east, but it's more beautiful when it's just us, like me and the sun in the middle of the nature. The golden light blended with the greenery of the plants. I wish you good luck and keep trying in this fast life. Thank you so much.